Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 BMW 118 M Sport Shadow Edition. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Euro 6 compliant, producing 134 brake horsepower, an insurance group of 20, and the car's covered just over 41,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is called Alpine White and looks in really good condition for age and mileage. As you have a look inside, the first owner chose over £2,500 worth of factory options, which I'll go through with you. So first of all, you have your auto dimming rear view mirror there. On the door card, you've got your controls there for the folding door mirrors. This car also has the black display on the dials there, and you also have the multimedia screen there. So you've got the larger screen than standard, and also you've got the leather seats, the Dakota black, and these are also heated. As we open the rear doors, you have good access into the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have pockets in the back of the front seats. And this car also has the BMW rubber floor mats as well, so that's good to see that someone's taking care of the car. And as we open the tailgate, on the 1 Series, you've got the good square boot there with these split folding rear seats. And also externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance of just 10.9%. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.